First, right now, breaking news that's been 5 years in the making.
This afternoon, a jury found William Craig Miller guilty of 5 execution-style murders. 3 of the victims were children.
Reporter Jodion Thompson joins us live from downtown Phoenix with the very latest. Jodion.
Well, like you guys just said, this man has been found guilty on 5 counts of first-degree murder. This not happening long ago, but you have to remember this is a man that's already serving a 16-year prison sentence for burning down his own Scottsdale home in order to collect that insurance money. But that is the connection actually to the murders. Prosecutors have long argued that back in 2006, Miller shot and killed 30-year-old Stephen Duffy and his girlfriend, 32-year-old Tammy Lovell, because they helped police get evidence against him in the arson case. As a matter of fact, Stephen and Tammy actually worked for Miller. Now, Miller was also found guilty for killing Tammy Lovell's 2 children that were also in the home and Stephen Duffy's 18-year-old son. Now, less than 2 full days of deliberations, the jury made their decision. But today in court, Miller was nowhere to be found. However, we caught up with his defense attorney right after that verdict was handed down.
All I can tell you is that he's entitled to a trial, and he chose to have a trial as opposed to admitting to anything in connection with this offense. We aren't required to present a defense, and we did not.
Now, Miller could face the death penalty, but in that death penalty phase is actually what starts tomorrow.
Jodion, were any of the victims' family members there to talk?
That's a very good question. We were looking for them. We wanted to know what they thought about this, how they felt about this, but they were really nowhere to be found. We're told that they're staying pretty tight-lipped right now because the situation is far from over. Live in downtown Phoenix, Jodion Thompson, CBS 5 News.
All right.